Hello everyone, this is Daren with Madcaptoys. We're just going to show you a little bit of what's outside. Kathy's over here.
Hi folks.
And we're going to show you a little bit of what's going on. We've been doing our yard work the last couple of days. We're getting ready to go over here and show you what's sowed basically. But we've been working on some things like these flowers, adding a few flowers to our garden. I got to get more mulch, of course. And just wanted to basically show you a few things that we've been doing and give you a little bit different side of us as we just walk over from the home to the toy barn. And you guys know you'll be seeing today, probably earlier today, another little video of what we've done, doing a little bit of different video styles because we want to show you a little bit more of our lifestyle than just what's going on with the toy barn. And some people say, well, the shed, and that I like to do that because I feel like that makes it interesting. And to the couple of you guys out there, I just wanted to sort of address this for a second. You guys that are out there that have said it, and it's only 2 people that said it in a couple of videos, hey, keep the personal stuff out of the video and just go straight to the business. Guys, I'm not going to do that. And if you don't like it, skip forward to the business part of it, or watch somebody that makes you happy, because this is about us being personal, and we want to make a relationship with some of our viewers because they're important to us, and we're not just automatrons and robots. We have a personal side, and I want to show you that, and I feel that's very, very important. For instance, you see the light ricocheting off my head. That's important. All right, so Kathy, let's do it.
See, it's important that the light is ricocheting off his head. Hi guys. Then you'll be seeing this Monday. Yep. Welcome back to the toy barn. My name is Kathy. We have 15 items we sold, but I noticed that some of them are currently missing, so you may have a little bit of a discussion while Daren gets the other items.
Or you just tell them what it is.
I can just tell them what it is. I'll tell you what it is. That would be better.
Probably left them inside.
Yes, we did.
So we are human.
We're
you can
human.
See that. Yeah.
We're human. So we had Macari do some things. We had eBay do some things. Unfortunately, Poshmark did not take off in the last couple of days. That's okay, because it's their turn now to really rock and roll on the next recording. So
what do you think is going on with Macari the last little bit? I mean, to me, Macari's been sort of off and on. Maybe
because it's harder to refresh and relist on Macari than it is eBay. eBay is constant, where it's constantly relisted. We've talked about a lot about that, you and I resellers. So Macari, you have to, when you end it, you almost have to do it one at a time, where you can do it in eBay in bulk. So that's probably what's affecting that.
Probably something with that.
But we had 3 on Macari. So a total of 15 guys. Woo! Did you see me? And 3 on Macari, and then 12 sales on eBay. Again, I think they're all the Macari ones are in the home. But the first one we had was a 1914 Lincoln Wheat Scent, very fine. It's going out to R. Larson 007 for $7 plus shipping to boot.
Thank you.
And then the next one, I haven't found it yet because we were going to find it before we started hitting play. It's the 1994 G.I. Joe Commando Sergeant Savage. It's going to Suki Coco for $20 plus shipping to boot. That one's going via UPS. That's the one that has the VHS videotape in it along with the action figure. And then third up, I don't have it out here, it is the Policeman action figure. It was found in the G.I. Joe tote. It's going out to Odysseus 2136 for $5 plus shipping to boot. So that was our Macari finds there. And then we had 12 items. I don't think all of them are out here, but we got 12 items that we also sold on eBay. So the very first one we got, guys, came from one of our pallet buys. It is the Conair 1875 watt 3-in-1 styling dryer. It's going out to Diane. Hi, Diane, for $25.48 plus shipping to boot. This one's really, really nice. It's got 3 styling attachments. It's mint, of course. It came right off the Target shelf into a pallet box when we buy our pallets and our high counts through Target General Merchandise. So this one is a very, very nice one. I hope you enjoy it, Diane. The next one we have, and it's in the house. Yvette bought 3 of them. It's 3 1891 Indian cents good. It's going to Yvette for $11.94 plus shipping to boot. So thank you, Yvette.
Thank you.
And then we had another coin. It's the 1919 Mercury dime. That was also good. It's going to Val for $6.98 plus shipping to boot. So thank you, Val, for that. Now we got one that I really, really like. And we have one more of these left, guys. So if you're interested, we have one more of him in very good condition in the box. It is the Funko Pop at Icons number 5 KFC Colonel Sanders. See how he's holding his little box?
Yep.
A little bucket. It's so cute. And it's going out to Dean for $22.49 plus shipping to boot. Again, guys, we do have one more of these if you're interested.
I could go for some KFC right about now.
It's another time. All right, next up we have, and this was also a pallet buy. We don't have it here, but it is the set of 2 Halloween Haunted House shelves, and it's going out to Brenda for $9.59 plus shipping to boot. I don't know if I have any more than those particular shelves. We are still working on our death pile as we speak in our heating and cooled garage. So we're trying to kind of get through that. If I have more, I will let you guys know. Next off, we have the 1997 Star Wars Power of the Force speeder bike. This special one is shows Leia, Princess Leia Organa. And this is going out to Jake. Hi, Jake, for $19.98 plus shipping to boot. And also to let you guys know, including Jake, we have one more of these left on our Star Wars shelf.
Right. Mm-hmm.
And for those that we didn't record before then, but to those of you folks, if you celebrated Happy Star Wars Day, that happened on the 4th.
May the 4th.
Yep, Cinco de Mayo is already passed as well, but if you guys celebrated, happy, happy, happy. All right, and this one we found in the shed. It is the 1981 Mego Eagle Force Savitar action figure, and this one is going out to Daniel for $13.58 plus shipping to boot. So thank you, Daniel.
There you go.
All right, and next up we have another one. Oh, he's inside. It's from the Berry Buy. It was the 1995 Playmates Earthworm Jim Peter Puppy. And didn't have who it was written down to, but it's going for $8.98 plus shipping to boot. And then, oh, we have this one here. We got these from a pallet buy as well. We got several of these from it. This particular one, we only had 2 from that particular pallet. We do have one more left of this exact same figure. This is the Jurassic World Amber Collection Tiger Velociraptor. It's going out to Curtis for $32.99 plus shipping to boot. So thank you, Curtis. And there, like I said, there is just one more left. So if you guys are looking for this,
we try to get those as often as we can.
As soon as we see a pallet that has some of these things, just like the Jurassic Park, we pick it up. We try to pick it up immediately. We jump fast. And then next we have the Matchbox on a Mission Blizzard Buster, one of these little snow plows. We have actually one more of these as well. It's going out to Jorge for $5.98 plus shipping to boot. Thank you, Jorge.
And that's a really cool looking car. I like the way Matchbox has been doing some of their what do you want to call that? Vehiculars.
Kind of like a series.
Yeah, it's like a series, but it's more of their working line, the working man vehicles.
Right, exactly. Yeah. And then repeat buyer alert.
Yay!
Repeat buyer alert. And we don't have it in here. We needed to bring it all in here before we started, but he bought 2 of these, 2 different ones. James McCutcheon, I hope I'm not butchering it. McCutcheon, sorry, James. He purchased the 1935C $1 silver certificate for $6.98 plus shipping to boot, and he also purchased the 1935D $1 silver certificate for $5.50 plus shipping to boot. So thank you, James. Love our repeat buyers. Love our people that come to us, Continuum, and working with us and all of that. And thank you guys also for the wonderful feedback you've been giving us. We strive to do our best to get your your products sooner than what you expected, but also packed securely and all of that. So thank you so much for that. I don't have anything specific, Daren. Do you have something to share with us for a minute?
Basically, and that's my favorite word for you guys that watch the videos.
He's trying so hard. He's trying really hard to break that.
It's very hard because we just used to, when you're teaching people, basically you do. Basically, you know, I mean, so it became a crutch word, all right? So forgive me for the crutch word, but honest with you, to be honest,
that's another one. Yes. To be honest with you,
this is why I said what I said earlier, because it's important that we take the time and say thank you, guys.
Yes.
I wanted to show people more than just, hey, I sold some poor person a KFC Funko or whatever the case is.
Rich, but
but I want to tell people more about us because you guys are important to us.
Yes.
And one thing I've learned years ago when I worked in a church and various things, it's important to know your people.
Yes.
And you want to let your people know you so that you don't come off like fake. You want to be, hi, how's it going? Are you doing okay? That's important to me because you know what? I can look at my stats on YouTube and I can tell you exactly how many people's looking, how long, and what group did this, what group did that. And we don't get a whole bunch of comments, and that's fine because we want, when you have a question or a comment, we want it to be from here, not just to say, hey, I did, you know. And it's very, very important. But for some people to just come out that don't take time to put a picture on their username or to do anything but be a big C or a big D or a big K or whatever the case is, I don't really listen to those people's comments. I listen to what my people say because those people mean something to us and because we mean something to them. And that's what's important. There are people out there, though, take your topics, guys, and this is no joke. Ask any real-time YouTuber out there. They'll take your topic, write it down, listen to it. Sometimes they'll record it, download it, and they'll dissect it. And they'll take and they'll refurbish it and make it their topic. And so, guys, what I want to do is when I give you something, I want you to know that it's something we are giving you because you are important to us. You guys that are here with us all the time, whether it be 5 minutes of a video, that 5 minutes means something to us. And I'm very thankful for you guys. If you can, I'm going to wrap it today. Go ahead and give us that thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It really helps our YouTube algorithm. Don't forget, if you do have a question or a comment or even a criticism, we're not saying don't ever say, hey, I think you could have done it better. But you guys know the difference between what I'm talking about, what we're talking about, and what other people have done in the past. Not just us, because I got one guy that's getting crucified right now with people that are attacking him over just nonsense. But give us a comment if you can. Give us that thumbs up. Share the video with your friends if you think it could help somebody that's maybe a little bit down, a little discouraged, or maybe a little lift up. And maybe, hey, don't give up on your eBay stores. Don't give up on your YouTube sell or Macari sales. Don't give up on your Poshmark sales. They can and they will get better, most likely. Just keep listening and share this video. And guys,
and one more thing.
Yeah, thank you for being here.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, do that.
We love you. Be part of the Madcaptoys family because without your subscriptions, we wouldn't be where we are today. So subscribe if you haven't already.
And hey, I want to thank you guys. And one more thing. My watch time has been going like this.
Yes.
Okay? It has quadrupled. And most of you guys would never know it because we do a lot of various videos. You'll see, for instance, one video like a demo video we did for a certain demo toy. Those hardly ever do really well. But most of our man-to-man videos, family-to-family, social-to-social videos like this are just... And it's all because you guys, and I'm really, really appreciate it. Kathy appreciates it. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a great and a wonderful day. We'll see you.
Bye, guys.